Hi there, students. Bonhomie. Okay, bonhomie is a feeling of friendliness and happiness. So we were all going to the seaside in a tour bus, and there was a lot of bonhomie in the group. Yeah. Okay. So bonhomie is talking about being cheerful, friendly, happy. Yeah. The group of people exuded humour and good bonhomie. They were really happy about things. Okay, now the other day I did this word camaraderie, which is maybe a feeling of bonhomie, but inside a group. Whereas bonhomie itself is just a feeling of friendship, good natured, yeah, affable, yeah, somebody who's friendly. Okay, you could also use this to talk about an atmosphere of friendliness. So when I went to the pub, there was this marvelous atmosphere of bonhomie, an atmosphere of friendliness. Well, maybe everybody was a bit drunk, and that certainly increases the feeling of bonhomie. Yeah, people are good natured. When I joined this club, there was a lot of the person who inscribed me, who wrote my name in and took my subscription to this, was full of bonhomie. He was very good natured. Yeah, this person is very well known for his bonhomie, his geniality, his good humour. Yeah, he's pleasant and his affable disposition. Okay, yeah. So bonhomie, this is another word for friendliness. Her soft-spoken bonhomie meant that it was difficult not to like her. Her warmth, good humour, friendliness, high spirits. Yeah. There, definitely when I was at school on the last day of term, there was a real feeling of bonhomie. Everybody was happy and friendly to each other, yeah, because we were all going home. Yeah, okay, there may have been camaraderie among the group, but bonhomie is more this just a good feeling, a feeling of cheerfulness and happiness. Yeah, there's a lot of bonhomie when you go to certain meetings. Yeah, this is the opposite of one of these unpleasant meetings. Okay, let's see. Bonhomie, just a good positive feeling, a positive vibe. Yeah, friendliness among a group. So, what about formality? Bonhomie. This word is probably a bit literary. I think I'm probably going to give it a 6.5, maybe a 7 in formality. I think it would sound a little bit weird and literary in the pub. Yeah, I think camaraderie would probably be better in that situation, or friendliness, good natured, happy. And then as to origin, well, this is another word that comes from French bonhomie, good heartiness, yeah, which comes from bonhomme, good man, yeah, a good chap, a good fellow, yeah, and that's the idea of it. Okay, so enough bonhomie. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bonhomie.